Greetings everyone! Welcome to our tutorial about organizing photos with keywords. For the demonstration, we will use Exposure by Alien Skin software. If you don't already own Exposure, you can download the free trial from our website. Keywords are an efficient way to categorize photos. Once applied, they can be used to quickly sort and filter images and are often required for selling stock photography. A good time to apply keywords is during the process of copying images from camera cards. In the metadata section, type in a keyword. Additional keywords can quickly be added with a comma-separated list. Alternatively, existing keywords from the keyword library can be selected. These metadata options are also available when shooting tethered. Learn more about Exposure's Monitor Folder features in our tethered shooting video. The photos in this demo share several event-related keywords. In the Apply Keyword field, add information like the venue, the location, and other vendors. Click OK to copy the images with these keywords applied. Exposure's Keywords tools are in the Metadata panel. The keyword library is the collection of keywords from all of the photos in Exposure. The library will be empty until keywords are applied to images. Add a keyword to an individual image by typing it in the Add Keywords field. When a keyword is used, it is also added to the keyword library. It then becomes an option to select from the list. Click X to the right of a keyword to remove it from the selected image or images. There are several ways to sort keywords: recent, all, or sets. A keyword set is a group of keywords under a larger theme. This is an example for weddings. When the keyword library is large, filters are helpful to navigate through them quickly. This includes keywords and keyword sets. Click the keyword icon to filter photos by keyword. Entering wedding-related keywords will only display wedding images. Keywords come up again at the end of post-processing when exporting files. Control which keywords are included in the metadata section of the export dialog. As you can see, keywords are an important aspect of photo organization that's flexible and searchable. Thanks for watching. Visit our website for more editing tutorials and additional information about Exposure.